Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you all had a good and happy Diwali with your family and friends. So in this video, I will talk about some adjustment. You know there have been many requests, and if you go to YouTube or if you go to any Google or if you go to any search engine, there are lots of requests or there are lots of queries about adjustment. Now the question is, do you really require an adjustment? I don't think so. 90% of the time, or even 90% of 95% of the time, you will not require any adjustment. Whoever sells whatever thing they want, they show big profit, that this blah blah blah, that adjustment, this adjustment, very complex adjustment which we don't understand. They sell all kind of things in the social media, but the real fact is, the hard reality is 95% of the time you will not require any adjustment. And in this video I challenge you and I will prove in this video, I have records that you will not require any type of adjustment. Then you will ask me one question: why are you sitting here? Now that is a different dynamic, or it's a different thing which we will also discuss in this video. Now when it comes to strategies, there are lots of strategies. You know, there are ratio spreads, naked call, debit spread, neutral strategies, directional strategies, bearish strategies, bullish strategies. There are all kind of different strategies in the market. But when it comes to option seller, or if you are an option seller who is into selling options, or you know, there are only 2 or 3 strategies which are very famous. The first one is straddle and strangle. Yes, right. I'm specifically talking about straddles and strangles only. I'm not talking about any other strategies. You have to keep that in mind. This video is going to be about straddle and strangle. Now we have backtested straddles and strangles and we found out you will not require, 95% of the time you will not require any adjustment, and without any adjustment also these strategies has given us a good decent profit. Now we will come back to that and I will show you the details also. Now what we did is, we have tested for the last 6 months. Yeah, we are into 2021, FY 2021, and we have tested from April 1st to October last week, October expiry, and we found out both the straddles and strangles never required a adjustment. Without even adjustment, it gave us a good return, right? Is that true? I am going to show you the data, and if you see here, I have made a back testing of straddles and strangles. If you see this one, straddles, on April 21 we did a 14,800 straddle. Without any adjustment, it gave a profit of around 30,123. May 2021, 14,500 straddle. Without any adjustment, it gave a profit of a negative profit of around 7,323. June straddle, 15,600 straddle, 24,658. Then July straddle, 15,700 straddle, it gave a profit of 17,040. August straddle, 15,800 straddle, it gave a negative loss of around 20,962. September straddle, 17,000 straddle, it gave a profit of around it gave a loss of around 9,322.20. And October straddle, 17,500 straddle, which gave a profit of around 747 rupees. Now the combined total profit is around 34,400, 34,000, let's say 35,000. And it is a if you go and check any span calculators, you can go to Zerodha, or you can go to any of your broker website, and if you go and check the span calculator, one straddle, I am not talking about 10 or 15 straddles, I am just talking about one straddle. One straddle, if you sell a one straddle, it is going to cost you 1.25 lakhs, right? 34 let's say 35,000, and you deduct all the charges, let's say 5,000 charges you paid, still you are left with 30,000. 30,000 divided by 1,25,000 into 100, you calculate, you will get a return of 28%. 28% return on investment in 6 months. Is that possible? Am I right or am I wrong? You go and check yourself. I did it in Opstra, and you know I cannot go and do every month. Or if you want, if you let me know, I will post one more video about whether this is true or not. From April 1st till now, we tested this Straddles every month for 6 months, and this is what the result we got. And the second thing is, if you see here, Straddles. April 2021 we sold 15,000. Actually market was around 14,800. We went down 300 points and we went up 300 points. We sold 15,100 call option and 14,500 put option. Total profit for the April month for one lot, both the Straddles and Strangles is for one lot. We made a profit of around 27,030 rupees. May 2021, 14,800 call option and 14,200 put option. Negative, it gave us a loss of around 4,492. June 2021, 15,900 call option and 15,300 put option. Profit of 16,766. July 2021, 16,000 call option and 15,400 put option. Profit of 9,940. August 2021, 16,100 call option and 15,500 put option, loss of 17,545. September 2021, 17,400 call option and 16,800 put option, loss of 11,574. And last but not least, October 2021, 17,800 call option and 17,200 put option gave us a profit of around 3,260. So total combined profit, if you see, is around 23,385, excluding, you deduct the charges. Let's say you paid a 5,000 or 6,000, whatever. After even paying the charges, you end up with a profit of around 18%. So Straddles and Strangles, you know, the both margins are likely the same. A Straddle will cost you 1.25 lakhs and Strangle is plus minus, it was going to cost you the same, maybe 1,10,000 or 1,15,000. I'm talking about Zerodha. So even after deducting all the charges, Strangles without any adjustment made us a profit of 18%, and Straddles gave us a profit of 27%. That is the fact here, and I have tested this extensively, and I tested it twice to just make sure we are right. Now the question comes here is, if we don't require any strategies, or if we don't require any adjustment, why are you sitting here, or why I have to post so many videos about adjustment, or any other YouTube channel they are posting about adjustment and that and this. Now there are two different things. First thing is emotional. See, we are normal humans being, and we are attached to emotions. When you see your, let's say you do a Strangle, and once you see a big 5 minutes chart which is moving 200 or 300 points, like what Bank Nifty did on Friday, right? Yeah, Friday or Thursday, no, Wednesday. Then you are emotionally attached. Once you see your strike is nearing, you sell a Strangles which is out of the money, and once the out of the money is coming at the money, you are emotionally attached to your MTM losses or MTM profit. The reality here is, when we see profit we take out very early, and when we see loss we take very late. That is the problem, and this happens to every one of us, not only me, not only you, not even me. Now when we are emotionally attached to our terminal, when we see the profits or when we see the losses, well, let's say when we see the losses, we go and book the losses and immediately it reverses. This is what happens to many of the time, many of us, and it happens many of the time. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Many times I have experience in my career or in my trading career, whenever it hits the strike or whenever I see a big loss in my MTM screen, I just square off the position and immediately it reverses. This is the one part of the problem. It is called emotions. We are normal humans being. We are not algos, or we are not sophisticated supercomputers. We are just normal human beings. We tend to go emotionally. Whether it is your office, whether it is your family, or whether it is any other thing, we are attached to emotional problems. These emotional problems are the main reason we are going behind adjustment and that and this. Now second thing is, you can say greedy. See, if you don't really need any adjustment, and 95% of the time you don't need adjustment, why you have to do it? Maybe we are greedy, we want to make more. Instead of 30%, instead of making 29% or 25%, or let's say 30%, we want to make 60% or 70%. Is that really possible? That's what many traders claim. I am not claiming, and I have posted videos on a monthly basis, and see, let's say, for example, even making 3% or 4% is more than enough for me. But many people claim 6 or 7%, even 10%, 15% they claim. Now, when they go for 15%, when they have a goal or target of 10% or 15%, they have to extensively work on their trading strategies or trading plan, whatever plan they have. Now this is not actually greediness, like they are very optimistic and they are trying to fully utilize their trading skills. That is what I can say. I'm not saying they are greedy. It is, see, we are also here to make money. Everybody is here to make money. So we can say it is a kind of people trying to make more money in the market. I really don't know what the other word to be used, but let's say it is greedy. First is emotion, second is greedy. If you are greedy and if you want to make more money in the market, you tend to do adjustment, and in the process what happens is you try to make the same process, same returns or even less returns. That is what is happening right now. I have been seeing, even though I try to make many adjustments due to emotional problems, or let's say I am greedy and I want to make more and more money to impress you, to impress subscribers. So what I do, I tried beyond my plan. I will be having a plan at the starting of the month. In order to impress you or in order to get more views, I might go and try different things and do different things to just buffer the profit or whatever. So when I do this kind of process, what happens is we tend to make many adjustments, and in the process we try to limit our profit. That's what I am trying to say. First one is emotion, second one is greedy. So this is what I did, and I thought this might be of useful. I really don't know. And if you are really having a hedge, proper hedge, whatever I did is without hedge, right? Now straddles and strangles are not fully hedged position. Let's say, for example, call is hedged with put and put is hedged with call. Either it is straddle or strangle, right? Apart from that, you don't have any hedge, unlike iron condor or iron fly, which are properly hedged. These are semi-hedged positions. Straddles and strangles are semi-hedged positions. When you take these semi-hedged positions, you tend to the loss is unlimited. At the time, profits are limited. So if you take a fully hedged position, and even if you don't do any adjustment, you are likely to make good profit in the future. That's what the data shows here, right? And another thing you have to remember is, whatever I did is just with one lot. Now if you go for 10 lots or 15 lots, let's say you have 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs in your trading account, and when you trade, you see it doesn't make sense, right? You have 15 lakhs capital and you do just one lot of trade and you try to make money in the market. No, that's not going to happen. When you have 15 lakhs, you are going to trade according to that risk margin, right? Like what is that, what do you say, quantity allocation or whatever, right? When you have 15 lakhs, you will be obviously trading with 10 lots or maybe even 15 lots if you know what you are going to do. You are having 15 lakhs and you are not going to trade with one lot, right? So it depends. There are many various things various things we can talk about, but the simple thing but still effective thing is that even if you don't do any adjustment, markets are likely to give you profit in the long run. And whatever I did is in the bull run. Now you know what happened. Year to date market has moved more than 23 or 24%. You do the testing by yourself and see what is the outcome, and you decide whether you really require adjustments or not. If your risk appetite is very low, if you think you don't want to take any risk, I am okay. If you think I am okay with whatever I do, you can just simply, you don't require any adjustment. And if you see, even if you take an iron condor or any other strategies, like not any other strategies, even if you take an iron condor and if you don't do any adjustment, you are likely to win. So that is the point here. Now I hope you this video finds very helpful. In case you like this video, just like and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.